This is not going to be your typical do-it-yourself video. Heads up, I have no idea what I'm doing. But today I wanted to upgrade the mattress in our Revel, and this is the original mattress, and this is a mattress that my 18-year-old son gave us since he upgraded to a larger mattress. I figured I would upcycle. We'll see how this works out. I took measurements of the bed, 72 inches approximately this way, 41 approximately this way, and then I realized that these actually pull out of the van and come out. So what I'm going to do is make a template using a Sharpie and these kitchen knives from my kitchen and see if that works out. So I'm placing the foam on top of the original, well, the newer piece, putting the original on top. As you can see, it's about 3 inches thick, and the piece I'm using is 7 inches thick. And originally I thought about just putting this on top of this, but now that I know this comes out, well, that's going to be interesting, what to do with this flap. I'll figure that out later. So I should have brought this all the way to the top. But if I need extra, maybe I could use this right here to create this later. This looks like it's wider than the actual mattress. Oh wait, no it's not. So I'm gonna lay down my level here and hopefully draw a straight line. And according to my wonderful math, I think I need, I don't know. I need this part right here cut. So I'm just going to measure across and see if I'm close. At 47, it's 48. I can trim it at the end if I have to. And oh my gosh. You know, this has a ruler on the side of it. Jeez. So I'm going to get as straight as I can on this one, but I have a feeling I'm not going to be able to cut very straight, so voila. So let's see if this knife cuts through this foam. I have no idea. Oh, look at that. It cuts easily. Oh, gotta stay straight. I guess it's better to make it a little bit bigger, just in case I have to trim it. Cool. There's something kind of rewarding about cutting through this. Okay, if I do that, it's not going to be straight. Okay, it cuts through really well, but there's got to be an easier way to do this. I guess I'll go this way. So this whole piece has to be separate. So I'm just going to cut it straight across. starting to wonder if the only thing we accomplished was making a mess. I'm going to clean all this stuff off and try to put the original sheet back on it. Well, the do-it-yourself project didn't quite turn into a yourself project, and it's comfortable though. I really like it. It's got a few issues. The memory foam is crumbling in some parts at the top right over here. I will take the time to fix that later by covering up with some fabric and sewing it and then fixing that part. But otherwise, it's a lot more comfortable than it used to be. Yeah. I think we did pretty good. Good morning. It is so much more comfortable than the 3-inch. So easy, you guys. I just took an old piece of 7-inch memory foam. It was a full size to begin with. Used the old mattress as a template to cut it down, and used a kitchen knife and a measuring tape, and it's so much more comfortable. I don't want to get out of it. Glorious morning out there. Rained on us a little bit last night, but I slept so good. And one of the many things I love about this Revel is how well I sleep in it.